Hi, my name is Luz Adriana Estupiñán Lozano. Welcome to your favorite channel. Today I will you about a spectacular travel agency where they offer their services to make the trip of your life. A trip to the Roman Colosseum. The Roman Colosseum is an amphitheater built in the 70s and the time of the Roman Empire is located in the center of the city of Rome, Italy. Travel with us. Colosseum, Rome. You come and enjoy this magical place. With this tour, it made you discover the most famous monument and important of ancient Rome. Schedule every day from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. The first Sunday of each month, free entry. Next, I will show you a short video of the tour, okay? Okay, thank you, bye.